love to.
I got Murphy.
You want me to apologize, Alex? I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry you have to think of us as your bosses now. But we didn't do it for just us. We did it for everyone. For you and for Wilson, who, by the way, fought so hard for you today. I thought she might cut someone to get you that kidney. So drop the attitude before nobody wants to work with you anymore.
Kick his ass, Mr. Dog. Fucking kick his ass, Mr. Dog. Get him. Get him. I'll get him with the cat. Oh, you can hit him with the cat.
You can afford it.
Meow. Meow. Are you gonna get him with the cat now? What the fuck you doing, man?
Nobody blames you for hiring Flynn. Not me, not anybody else, and you shouldn't either.
Better stop.
You never would have signed that paper if you knew what was going to happen.
Get him. Get him, Mr. Cat.
Let it go.
Ooh.
You said it, Shepard. You said it again.
Where are you running, pussy?
I was pissed. I've been pissed. But not at you. The world. Yeah. I'm pissed at Mark.